Hi everyone, this is Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Welcome, welcome. I hope you had great holidays. It's been a little while since I posted. We had a great virtual Christmas, as I'm sure many of you did. And hopefully next year will be a different experience, I'm hoping. So I have finished up my winter journal, and here it is. I've added a little charm, and we've got vintage lace on the front in the digital from Mrs. Cox. And this is a fabric, and the fabric in the background is got a little bit of padding in it, so it's kind of puffy. I've sewn around there, and these over here that looks like part of the cover are actually journaling cards that I've stuck into, and there's two pockets just behind the cover, and those there. And it closes with a seam binding close, and inside is more vintage lace with two more journal cards there, and there's a tag that fits inside that hidden pocket. Just put that in there like so. And here is a bookmark, or it could be a journaling card. It could be whatever you would like it to be. And that sits inside the little glassine bag there. So here on the first page is a little collaging, and I have a little tag that I've stuck in here, but there's room to stick other things that you would like to stick in there. And here's some vellum paper I printed on. Looks really pretty. And lots of places to write. Here's a flip out. Some journaling space there, and a tag. Looks like little snowballs. I thought that lace was kind of cute. Do have to kind of tuck it in there a little bit, but it's really cute. And there's a little boy who lives in those cabins. And then a page here, and this is parchment paper that I printed on. It has a nice feel to it. Here is actually some paper, braille paper that I have in here, and inside there is a pocket on that side with a little journaling card. And here we go. A tuck spot here on the side with a glassine envelope. Opens up, and inside is this cute little girl feeding the birds. A little journaling card. And let's stick that over there on the side. Some music paper, and Snow Bells was the title. Thought, oh, that would go really well in here. There's a little paper bag with a sleigh. And here in the middle is a collection of journaling cards inside here. And so this is stacked pockets. I have a tutorial on that. I'll link it below in case you are interested in seeing it. And here's the little tag. So cute. Put in there. I have a little charm here in the middle, and it's a little owl. So I've been adding the owl charm to my journals because it's the Inky Owl. So, and it can be cut out. You can cut here right off of there and use it for something else or somewhere else if you prefer. Here's another journaling card inside this paper bag. So all these pockets and tuck spots there's room for additional memorabilia you may want to put in there. And here is another place to do some writing. And here is this little cute journaling card. So there's two pockets here. It's another CD flip. And I love this quote. There is no such thing as a bad weather, only inappropriate clothing. So here's some more appropriate clothing. here's a place for more journaling on that side there. The other side of that pocket. So these are nice big pockets. You can put photos in there or whatever. And here's a vellum pocket. Really enjoy this journal tag. It's so pretty. And it fits in here to kind of complete the scene a little bit behind that vellum pocket. Another collage with a place for journaling stuck in here behind. A tag, an extra tag here I've just clipped on to the back page, one of the back pages there. Some more of that vellum. And at the back of it is a cloth pocket with a vintage mini medallion, crocheted medallion with a journaling card back there. So there's fabric in the middle to really help just to stand up over time to make it strong. And here's the back with my label. And the side, and I'm thinking about putting lace down here, so it's almost done. But I'll probably put a little bit of lace down there. So this is the journal, and thank you so much for viewing. I so appreciate it, and it will be in my shop when this video goes out. And thanks a lot, and please subscribe to see what my next project will be. Have a great day. Bye.